Getting ready to put this polyhedron together. This is one of the biggest ones I've made recently. It's 120 pieces, and I've got a little bit of a problem trying to figure out how to glue it all together. The way I like to do it with a fewer number of pieces is that the surrounding pieces will help line the adjacent pieces up, and that will get everything as tight as possible when it's squeezed together. So that's the way I want to do it, and I'm going to go ahead and try it. This is the biggest piece count that I've tried like that. So this is the outside surface, the bevels on the bottom side. This is all held together with just clear tape, and I'm going to have to flip this over first to expose the bevels so I can put glue on them, get that all spread out, and ball it up and wrap it, clamp it. So there's 120 pieces. There's 60 hexagons and 60 pentagons for a total of 660 edges to glue up. So I'm using this kind of glue that gives you more open time than what I usually use. And one thing I don't like about it is that if it gets on your clothes, it will ruin them if you don't get it off while it's still wet. If it dries on there, they're trash. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. First thing I'll do is flip it over. That makes it a whole lot easier to flip over than without it. I put a small hole in this tip so that the glue comes out in a finer stream. I'm going to make a big mess with this. I'm nervous. And I might end up brushing it on, I don't know. We'll just kind of play it by ear and see how it goes. But there's going to be glue all over the place. So here we go. And that's how it's done. Yeah, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. That's the best thing you can do. And I sure appreciate you watching. I'm glad that worked good. That wasn't as messy as I thought it was going to be.